Yo, what's going on, you guys? I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but it's because, listen. It's because I was in the process of moving and I'm in my new apartment now, y'all. I don't know if you guys really knew what my other apartment looked like, but this is it's a bigger upgrade, much bigger. So we're still getting everything worked out, you know, the boxes and everything, and we still gotta get groceries and everything. But hey, check this out, y'all. Check this out. This place is nice. Look at this. Man. They even got a putting green. Oh, you can't see, but this place is really nice, and yeah, that's the reason. It's not really the reason, but it's partially the reason why I haven't really been posting a video like that, because moving, I don't know if you guys moved before, but moving, it's a lot of work, especially, you know, you gotta get the boxes, sign papers, at least everything. So I'm back, I posted a video, so ooh, yeah. Yo, so in this video, y'all, I did a video on him before. It was a while back. This video I did he had a curly top, high ball taper, curly top, crispy lineup, everything. I didn't take anything. I took a little bit off the top, actually. I took a little bit off the top. I gave him a little scratch in the eye, or a little cat scratch, whatever you guys call it. I just call it the line in the eye. But yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video. Stay tuned. At the end, I'm gonna be talking about my giveaways and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Hi guys, so for this back taper, we are about to use the Babyliss Pro liners, the gold ones. These are a little sharp, so I don't even know why I use them for the back taper, but whatever. So just make sure that how I do my taper, especially for high tapers, is I do the ball line right below the bottom of the ear. So where like the ear, you know, starts and the bottom, I kind of line up my ball line with that. Make sure that the ball line is straight, and that's about it. And also yeah, it doesn't look straight right here. I think I made it lower on one side or made it more swoopy on the other, whatever. Anyways, but yeah, make sure that it is straight. So I have my enhancements right here, and I'm going to make my guideline about 1/2 inch. Make sure that the guideline is straight. And as you guys can see, I have that little grip on my masters. I got it from somebody. I don't really remember where I got it. You guys could probably get it from like Amazon, maybe eBay. I'm not sure. If I do find out, I'll let y'all know. But make sure that the guidelines 1/2 inch. And also I close my lever just to take out the ball line. So what I do is I do close halfway open, close halfway open. I just play with it a lot. Make sure that you do use the corners, and make sure you don't really want to make a hard line, because my method is hard line, hard takeout. So just play with your levers, go close, halfway open, play with it a lot. Just don't go past that open lever, that little dark spot. You don't want to go past that. So now I have my one guard for my Andis Masters, the purple magnetic guards. I like these a lot because they don't really, you don't gotta worry about them falling off. But the thing about it is, because I have like a metal thing in the back, it kind of gets stuck to it. But so what I'm doing is I'm making the guideline 1/2 inch, and as you can see, I was flicking out. Because I don't really want to make a hard line, like I always say. I just want to flick out, so basically when I come back with a clipper or a comb, I can get it easily, so I don't have to worry about another line that I gotta take out. So I'm flicking out. Make sure that it is straight, or as straight as you can get it, because you want that blend straight. So yeah, just flick out, and there you go. So now I have my zero guard here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it all the way, and then I'm going to flick out just flick, 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 flick. I showed you guys this in my last video. I feel like it's way easier and faster to just basically do that. So what I'm doing is I'm just at the bottom, you know, that dark spot, just flick, 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 flick. And but when you see it getting lighter, then that's when you wanna you do halfway, and then you wanna, you know, keep going and playing with your levers from close, halfway, open. So I like flicking it just to get that ball line, that blurriness, and then halfway open, close, halfway open, close, halfway open. I got my clipper comb right here. So as you see the hair that's poking out, I'm just gonna get that and scoop it out. I'm going up with it. I'm not going horizontal. I'm just going vertical with it. So basically, I'm just scooping the hair and I'm just clipping it. I'm just trying to make it lighter so it's not so dark on the side. And here I'm using freehand. A lot of people, you guys might not be comfortable with freehand, but I mean, I've been doing it for so long, so I mean, it's second nature to me. So I'm just clipping over the hair that's poking out. Basically, that's what I'm doing. I'm keeping it kind of away from the scalp because I do not want to patch them, and that's how it is. So now we are on the side taper. So we're basically gonna do the same thing we did for the back taper. So I'm gonna be using my Babyliss Pros, the gold liners, again to make the bald line. I'm doing a high ball taper on the side, so I'm going to take off the, you know, the sideburn little arc. So I'm just gonna bald that out. So with my Andis Masters, I'm gonna open the lever and making the guide line 1/2 inch. Make sure that the guide line is straight. And also, I pointed it like that because his hair grows to the side like that. So you want to go against the grain. So if the hair is, if it's grown at an angle, you want to go at that angle, you know. I'm gonna close my lever up now on my Andis Masters, and I'm gonna take out that bottom line that I made with my balders. I'm going at an angle right there because his hair grows at a certain direction. So I just close the lever and then I go halfway, open, close, half. I play with my levers a lot. I say this all the time. I'm just trying to say this all the time so people that are gonna learn from me, it's this repetitiveness, you know. So if you're gonna hear it, you're gonna keep doing it, and so on. So yeah, play with the levers and close, halfway, open. So I have the one guard, and I'm just going to make my one line with my one guard, just 1/2 inch. I'm not really digging in. I'm just kind of flicking out. You see, it's kind of dark up there, so I'm just flicking it out. So we're gonna take our 0 guard, and I'm gonna close that thing up all the way close and flick, flick, flick. It's best to, I think it's best, especially with the 0 magnetic guards, especially if you use it on fast feeds or Andis Masters, flicking out in this for this type of blend, especially once you're taking with the 0, it's so much easier and faster. It just takes out the line so much quicker. So you just flick out with the close, and then you just play with the levers from halfway and close, or halfway open and close, or halfway close, or however you want to do it. I'm gonna do the lineup now, and as you can see, his natural lineup is already kind of straight, so you really just gotta follow the natural-ishness, you know. So I'm starting from the middle, and I'm making my way from the sides. So on this part, I'm going from the left to the right. So start from the middle, left to right, left to right. It's best to do it that way. I've told you plenty of times. It's because when you start from the middle, it gives you that base, so that way you don't make one side higher than the other. Because I've started from the side before, and I'm like, man, the other side, I'm gonna have to push it all the way back, and it doesn't match up. So I told myself I'm not gonna do that no more. So I had to start from the middle and just make everything evenly from side to side. So now we're gonna do the enhancements, aka the paint. He doesn't really need it. His hairline's already pretty crispy and straight as it is, but I'm just gonna give it to him to give it that little extra kick, that oomph. So just follow his lineup as it is. Just follow what you did to the lineup, and the way I mix it is that I add water before I put the paint in the spray gun. So I add like three squirts of water, and I put the paint in, and then I mix it really well, and then voila. I mean, it's gonna be, because when you use the paint, especially the one I'm using, it gets it kind of, it's kind of thick, so it doesn't spray out. So you want to thin out the paint, so that way it sprays out like water, or a little bit better. So that's how you do it. Make sure that you don't really put too much paint, because it'll look not real. But sometimes I overspray people because they ask me, or I just think it'll look good. But again, just make sure that you follow your lineup. Yo, what's up, y'all? Thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys for sticking with me and being patient with me when I don't really upload a lot of videos like that, but I really want to. It's just been a crazy weekend because I had to move and whatnot. And so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also put the post notifications on. And for the giveaway, I'll be doing at 5,000 subscribers. So once I hit 5,000 subscribers, I will put something on my Instagram, and that's how you guys could enter and whatnot. I am picking one winner because I don't really have a lot of, clout like that. So I'm picking one winner. So let's do this, y'all. Let's do this.